everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger when it has unfortunately stopped while operating. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to solve the issue, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. When your Messenger unfortunately stops, then the first thing to do is to simply turn your device off and then on again. Sometimes we do not switch off our Android devices for a longer period of times, and it generally happens with most of us. So if you have not turned off your Android or your any kind of a device for quite a long time, then simply hold the power button and restart your device by tapping on the restart option. Once your device switches back on, check to see if your problem is solved or not. If not, then try for the next solution. The next thing to do is to clear your cache and data of Messenger app. Open your settings on your device and scroll all the way down and tap on apps. This will take you to a page where all of the installed application on your device is displayed. Tap on Messenger from the list and go to storage. Now tap on clear cache at the bottom right and tap on clear data at the bottom left, and from the pop-up select OK. You can also try uninstalling your Messenger application. Simply hold your Messenger icon and tap on Uninstall button from the expanded menu. Uninstall your application and reinstall it back again, and log into your Facebook Messenger application and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you are not being able to run your Messenger smoothly and it keeps stopping unfortunately. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.